Hi again. Okay, since I didn't get to finish the questions in the last video, I'm doing them on this video. Okay, so number 1,
1. What is this chapter about?
what is this chapter about? Is it about hair color, which that's what I picked? Was it
Hair
right?
color.
Was that right or wrong? That was wrong. We heard the funny noise it makes. How about graphs?
Graphs.
No, that's wrong too. There's a funny noise again. Okay, so remember, don't get them wrong just so you can hear the funny noise. Okay, so how about C, DNA?
DNA and families.
It is about C, DNA in families. Okay, and usually what it's about is the same as the title of the chapter, but in this case it was different. Todd's family tree. But they were talking about his family tree, like his grandparents and parents, because they were talking about DNA and families. Okay, so number 2.
2. What is a family tree?
Okay, do you remember what a family tree is? Is it a flower, a chart, or a plant? Okay, now remember, they had the pictures of Todd's parents and grandparents, and they were in a chart.
Chart.
Okay, so a family tree is a chart. Okay.
3. What does Todd look at of his family?
What does Todd look at of his family? Pictures, magazines, or videos? Did he look at videos?
Videos.
No. He looked at old pictures. Or
Pictures.
Okay.
4. What does Todd's brother and sister have?
What do they have? Do they have cars? Do they have traits? Or do they have phones? Remember, what's our vocabulary word that talks about things that people have that they get from their DNA and from family members like parents and grandparents? Their eye color, their hair color, their skin color, even. Traits.
Traits.
Traits. Okay. Have you been talking about this at home, this chapter, or this book? It's a very interesting topic, DNA and family traits.
5. What is important to know about this chapter?
Okay, well, what's important? Let's see.
Todd's family is very large.
Is it? Maybe.
Family time is important.
Family time is important. Yeah, that's true.
People in a family share some DNA.
Okay, what was the most important thing that you learned in this chapter, though? That Todd's family is very large? It might be, but that's not the point of this chapter. How about B? Family time is important. It is, but that's also not the point of this chapter. How about people in a family share some DNA? I think that's the important part of this chapter. Okay, so people in a family share some DNA. Okay. You can also do the fill-in questions if you want. I can go back and do a couple of those with you before we run out of time on this video. This one is more about vocabulary.
The students learn about in their family.
The students learn about what in their family? Share, DNA, traits, pictures, or chart. They learn more about
DNA.
DNA in their family. Number 2.
A family tree is a.
What is a family tree? Is it share, traits, picture, or chart? What makes the most sense in that sentence? Pictures?
Pictures.
No. Chart.
Chart.
Okay. And sorry about that, but I'm going to let those of you who have access to the online unique finish that page, okay? So the video is going to end soon, so I have to end it here. I'll see you later.